In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove voice pops in BandLab. Voice pops, also called plosives, are those boomy bursts you hear on letters like P and B. They're usually caused by air hitting the microphone and show up as low-frequency thumps. The good news is BandLab has a built-in tool that can quickly tame a lot of that unwanted noise. Start by opening your browser and heading to the BandLab website. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your work. Once you're in, go to your library. This is where all your projects live, and it's the quickest way to find the song or session that needs cleanup. Open the project that has the vocal recording with the pops. From the project page, enter Studio to launch the multi-track editor. Give it a moment to load your tracks. Now locate the vocal track that contains the plosives. If it helps, play a short section where the pops are obvious so you know exactly what you're targeting. Right-click on the track you want to edit to bring up the context menu. From there, choose Denoise. BandLab's Denoise tool runs an automatic analysis of your audio and applies processing designed to reduce steady background noise and low-frequency rumble. That low-end rumble is often where vocal pops live, so this can make a noticeable difference without you having to tweak a bunch of settings. Let the tool finish processing, then play back the same section you checked earlier. Listen for a cleaner vocal with less thump on those P and B sounds. Also check that the voice still feels natural and not overly dull. If you need to compare, jump between an unprocessed and processed part of the timeline to hear the improvement more clearly. If the pops are dramatically reduced but a hint of thump remains, that's normal. Extreme plosives can be hard to erase completely with a single pass, but this will usually smooth them out and make the take usable in a mix. After confirming the improvement, continue listening through other parts of the track to ensure the overall noise level is consistent and nothing important was removed. BandLab saves your changes automatically, so you can keep working without worry. For future recordings, a few simple habits go a long way. Use a pop filter, keep the mic slightly off axis from your mouth, maintain a small but steady distance, and avoid speaking directly into the capsule. These tips prevent most pops before they happen. And that's it. You've learned how to remove voice pops in BandLab using the Denoise tool for a cleaner, more professional vocal.